Hi guys, I just wanted to take a minute and show you what this finished doll looks like. I had somebody request a full-length photo, and I had been planning on making some videos of each of the SculptBox dolls so everyone can have a better look at what the project is exactly. So I just love her. She turned out so cute. And her head is ball jointed, so she can turn and have some really cute poses. Sorry, my birds are competing with me, I think, to be able to be on this video. They're pretty excited too, but they're adorable. Anyway, she's got beautiful, dainty little hands and then some cute little boots. And her body is posable. Her arms move, her legs move because it's all wire down here. Her chest is hard, and then the neck is posable like this as well because it is ball jointed, like I said. Anyway, this is what she looks like. She's got this cute little dress that you're welcome to do in any color. I should have my sculpt boxes, the sets themselves, up pretty soon, but that's going to take me just a little bit longer before I can get access to my items in my storage unit, and that's where my sculpt boxes stuff is from the past, but I'll be having new ones out soon. Anyway, here's this beautiful Renaissance Maiden, and I hope you enjoy her and that you get a chance to follow this sculpting video. It's available for download here on the Ko-fi site, and it's on sale for just $15 right now. Enjoy!